If you want to be a programmer, or if you are already a programmer, we are always learning. Learning doesn't stop after you get that first job. So even more fundamental than your programming skills in any particular language is the ability to search. And guess and check is one of the fundamental search approaches. There's also Google, being able to look up documentation. Nowadays we use ChatGPT, all sorts of tools. Today I'm going to talk about a particular advanced guess and check technique because there are a lot of ways to guess and check. We talk about Google searching, but you can guess and check Google search keyword terms. ChatGPT, you can guess and check your prompts and compare the results. In code, you can just write some code and see what it does, maybe add some logs or add some try catches. Those are all approaches to guess and check. Here is a dev tools focused additional approach to guess and check. And this approach leverages autocomplete and educated guesses or developer intuition. When senior developers talk about developer intuition, this is one of the cases where I'm going to technically show you how that helps us. I'm going to talk about dev tools, but this will also work if your IDE has autocomplete features. And the way it works is you just start writing what you think might be the correct function name. So if you know a bit about the document API in JavaScript, we know that we can get element by ID or get elements by tag name. But there are some others and you might not remember what the others are. One option is you can go Google search or whatever. Another option is you can just start typing the part that you think would be in common and look at the autocomplete suggestions. So that's with the document API. You can also cross your data types and you can leverage idioms that exist across programming languages and data types. For example, if you want to know how many numbers are in a container, and container being a generic term, maybe it's an array, maybe it's a static array, a dynamic array, an object, a set, a hash map, any of these things probably has something like length, size, count, or so on. In the case of length, you might just type len because in Python it's just len. So you might say, I'm not sure, is it len or length? And you could let the autocomplete help you out. This will also often come with a tooltip where if you type it, you can hover your mouse over the method name and your IDE might give you some additional context to confirm whether that's the method you're looking for. Hope this helps. This is one advanced guess and check technique. Just to give you a little more feel for when we say guess and check, it feels a little ambiguous. There's actually a lot of particular ways to apply that, and this is just one of them.